All right, that sounded good. And yeah, very, very precise with the rhythm. Excellent. And as we're getting more challenging here, I think what would also be good, like the four speeds I tend to demonstrate these things at, it's probably a better idea just to make sure I get a good, well-rounded picture of how things are sounding and all that. Um, so yeah, 60, 120, 180, and 240. So you reach 240 early. Let's try getting those four speeds recorded and sent. I think that'd be the best idea. Um, Now I noticed you had a fret wrap on, just in case. If you're using it to help with muting unwanted string noise, I want you to work on improving your muting technique instead of relying on that. I've used them before. I'm sure I'll use it again, kind of for like recording purposes. Um, yeah, I'll end up using that stuff to make sure I get the cleanest sounding recording. But that's when I'm like being super anal. Got to be as clean as possible. But when it comes to working on your technique, it I'm okay with one being used if it was like crazy two-hand tapping stuff. Then that makes sense. But with metal playing, open strings definitely happen. So if you're using something that's going to eliminate the use of open strings, I think that's a problem. Um, so that's why we're using open strings on this one. And yeah, I have used fret wrap like kind of higher up on some stuff before when I'm like really just going berserk with trying to just get something up to an absurd speed up higher up on the frets. And it actually seemed like it made the action better. Like it actually lowered it into a better level, so which was nice. And yeah, I didn't have to worry about muting as much. It was like a subtle difference, but enough that I liked it, so I just did that. And so that's like a unique circumstance. But again, since we are trying to work on improving technique as much as we can, we don't want to rely on something like that to make it sound cleaner. Now, I have had students put one on before because they were having such a hard time muting things and they were not catching it with their ear. So that's an exception right there. Like if somebody is constantly having all this extra string noise and they don't recognize what the string noise is, then I'll have them put something on like the fret wrap to dampen all that stuff. So this way they can hear, oh, that's what it's supposed to sound like. Yep. So this way they have a better chance of fixing, catching and fixing those mistakes. So anyway, here we go with number one. And yeah, we are starting with the high open E string, picking that every bar. And got some harmonic minor going on with this one again. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. So my right hand is sitting on all those unused strings. See how my pick is right over the neck pickup? Excellent place to put it to make sure you are in a good place to cover up those strings. Talking and playing at the same time is not easy. All right, 120. 1, 2, 3, 4. $180. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. $240. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Next one, number 2. Getting a bit fancier here. Got 2 strings involved in the key of E minor. So we start with the hammer-ons on the B string, hammer-ons on the E string, straight into pull-offs, 1 note on the B string, back to the E string, and then repeat it. And then move up to the 7th fret, same idea. Okay. Trying to think if there's anything to add before playing it. I don't think so. Thought I had a thought, but guess not. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, pick direction on this, because it's legato heavy, pick it however it comes out. Not a big deal on this one, because now it's the fretting hand we're concerned with. So if you do all downstrokes, that's fine on something like this. Totally fine. All right, 120. 1, 2, 3, 4. One, two, 1, 2, 3, 4. Terrible ending. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. And 240. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. There we go. All right. I think that does it. Any questions come up, let me know, and I'll see you again in your new videos.